Getting some beautiful rain on the farm today. It's about 5 months since we ain't getting a rain, so just getting a little bit of rain today. Plants I'm looking happy. This is about half acres of tobacco. This set is like about 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks. In Jamaica, we call this the hot grabber tobacco, but we call it hot grabber. Many people from all over the countryside, they came in St. Elizabeth and buy a lot of tobaccos from us, and they distribute all over the country. This is like a 3 month crop. We have some older set down this side. This one is like about 4.5 weeks. Very tall, about 5 feet, 6 feet, very tall. Next 2 weeks from now we're gonna do some harvesting. So we're gonna do like starking, chipping, and that gonna last for about one day. Planting tobacco in Jamaica is a very hard task. It's not an easy road, take a lot of time. This area right here is very thick. Have some huge leaf. Just giving you a full tour of the farm. Look at this beautiful leaf right here. We mostly use this leaf for, we call it wrapper. So we call this leaf the wrapper. Normally we always remove the seeds. Because we have a lot of seed in storage right now, so we don't need any more seed. So we're gonna remove them so we get a better growth of the tobacco same way. It's been a while. As I told you before, rain don't fall about 5 months now. Just get a little rain today. So the plant's looking happy. St. Elizabeth tobacco is more stronger than the rest because of the soil. We have a different soil in St. Elizabeth. Look at the soil right here. Very fertile. So as I told you before, it's about half acres of tobacco. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Look out for the next video soon. The next stage would be harvesting.